Welcome to the nation's largest conference and trade show expo in the $100 billion roofing, solar, and storm restoration industry. Wind to Storm is being held this year at the Fort Lauderdale Convention Center on March 15th, 16th, and 17th. That's right, in sunny Florida, right on the ocean. Guys, we got a massive trade show expo floor, over 400 exhibitors across the entire industry of solar, storm restoration, and roofing. Again, this year we have over 100 breakout sessions, but this year we've had intense full-day boot camps covering every sector of roofing, solar, and storm restoration, led by some of the leading experts in those fields. We're bringing the fireworks back on stage this year with main stage debates, main stage panels, hurricane recovery panels with state political leaders, industry leaders, the head of the DPPR, public adjusters, attorneys, contractors, and even victims themselves to discuss many issues facing the recovery efforts in the streets, in Florida, Hurricane Ian, and across many catastrophic events, UPA laws, 25% repair rule, Senate bills, unconstitutional state lobby laws, and all the things that actually slow the recovery process. We bring them to light on stage with the debates, the panels, and we're bringing in the microphone of local and national press to hear what's going on in those streets.